ọkwe manakalaka na-edu ibe chukwu kwuru n'ọnya emeluge.
Hi guys, welcome back to Igbo Lifestyle with Dara. Hope the tips I shared in my last video were helpful. I'm still waiting to get your feedback, and if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome to my world, and please do well to subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and please try to turn on the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for watching my video and for always dropping your likes and your comments. So without wasting much of your time, I will be discussing the almighty chicken gizzard. Let me show you what a chicken gizzard looks like in case you've been eating it without knowing. So this is a fried chicken gizzard, and this one is the cooked one. I know you must have eaten this protein at some point in your life, and it tastes so good aside the high protein content. But do you know that the Igbo women are forbidden to eat the chicken gizzard, mostly the married one rather. In fact, it is more like a sacrilege. I could remember when I was growing up, my mom would always tell us to reserve the gizzard for my dad. So I became so curious. I asked my dad why the gizzard is specially made for him, and he opened my eyes to things I never knew. According to him, he said that in Igbo land that the gizzards are meant for the men alone. A gizzard is opened, that what is seen inside is grains of sand. This simply means that life is not going to be smooth, or life is not smooth. So as a man, you are going to be faced with a lot of life challenges and responsibilities. So eating the chicken gizzard will always remind you how hard life is and how it will be hard for you as a man. But if, however, the woman decides to eat the chicken gizzard, she's just trying to supersede her husband or assumed position as the head of the house. In the olden days, when a woman eats the chicken gizzard, she's faced with the punishment of killing another fowl for the husband. In fact, the part that is specially made for women is the waist part, you know, that bony part. Women are really trying. So guys, do you think that this tradition impacts positively to the society? Should this tradition be retained or abolished? I would love to hear your opinion on this. But before I go, please remember to drink enough water every day, because water is essential for healthy living. See you in my next video. Bye.